Today's episode is 30's reaction to Kyoko's snore gets replaced with number block 92 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, 30 here. I'm going to do a reaction on Kyoko's snore gets replaced with number block 92's snore, but it's going to increase the hilariousness because of her snotty behavior. But anyways, enjoy the reaction.
92 in Samantha's bedroom.
See? Your snore has been replaced due to grimy snotty behavior. Well, the video ended a bit quick. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 182.